What we doing today?
Earthing.
You earthing?
Yeah.
So you can get better, right, Pappy? And Masai?
And Mommy said if we feel better, then we can go to school tomorrow.
Yeah. All right, come on. Let me see you get up. Let me see you plant those feet in the grass. Show our friends how you earthed and ground.
Earthing ground.
Tell them what it is. What are y'all doing?
So we take our shoes off and then we just earth and put your feet in the grass.
Yes, and you're getting the charge from the earth, right?
Yep. Yeah.
It heals you?
Yeah, and you just walk around. Yeah.
And it makes you feel good?
Oh, the city.
Go ahead, let me see you walk over there. Walk over there to those flowers. This way. Poppy, this way. Go ahead, let me see y'all run over that way. Good job. Yeah, our friends can hear how hard you working.
Yeah. Hey.
You working you've been working a little hard, right? Don't run too much in the grass. I just want you to walk in it, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Get your feet in it.
Okay.
Minnie, I'm about to have to take your little sleeper off because she's still sick too. But even just planting her hands and letting her sit, she will get healed too.
And she can give us a hug. She can give us a hug.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you stretch your arms up, she just lay her head down.
Mm-hmm.
Then you look. Hug. Hug.
Look at Minnie. Minnie, you earthing? Look at them earthing feet. Yeah, look at them earthing baby feet. You earthing so you can feel better too? Yeah. Watch, y'all. You don't believe it, but I believe it. You're gonna start to feel better. And they ain't gonna get sick again. They ain't gonna be sick for a while.
Many
Y'all earthing? Look at those feet. Let me see those feet. Them feet in the grass. Yeah.
Minnie ate them too, but her feet just in the grass.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, let me see you walk, Mommy. Let me see you walk. She don't never want to walk. Yeah, we see the train. You see the train?
Yep, there was the train. Yeah, there was the train. Guys, look at this.
They can't see you. Come on, you gotta stand over here so they can see it.
This.
Mm-hmm. Where you at, Papa?
Mom, it looks like a green flower.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Mom.
Hey.
Boop. Mommy, I got Minnie. This for you.
That's for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
For you, for Minnie.
Oh, thank you. All right, don't pick anymore, okay? Don't pick anymore. Let them live, okay?
Yeah, let them grow.
Yes, let them grow. But thank you, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Mom, can I take my hoodie off?
Sure.
Mom, can I take my hoodie off?
Sure. You love the grass, Messiah?
Try not to get it in your hair.
Try not to get in your hair.
Nope.
Let's sneak up on Poppy. Let's see what he's doing.
Push it.